Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So today I'm going to show you how to contour your lips and how to make your lips look really big. And as you know, I have really thin lips, and I've always wanted those big pouty lips, but I've tried everything possible from plumping, etc, etc. But I think this is a really cool hack, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's start now. So guys, for this you will need a lip pencil. The lip pencil that I'll be using today is from Miss Claire, and I'm going to start outlining my lips. So I'm going to start from here. So I'm going to start outlining it. I'm going to slightly overline my lips to make it look bigger. So once you've done that, I'm going to be drawing a few lines. I'll show you. So we draw one line here, one here, and here, and center. Now we're gonna just darken these sides. I'm gonna apply this here. The corners basically. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this. So I'm going to take my Savannah blush palette, and this is the highlighter that I'll be using. So I'm just going to apply it here. Once you've done that, now I'll be applying my lipstick. The lipstick that I'll be using is from Miss Claire, and the shade is 58. Now we'll take the same lip pencil and draw this line. And we're going to highlight it again. This is how I contour my lips, and I hope you liked it. Do try it, and if you have any other tricks, do let me know in the comment section below. And also please don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.